Okay, so we have this place in our backyard. Like, like all the rubble we have, all the extra stuff, we put it here. So what we're gonna do, we wanna remove everything, take off this old shed, and make a concrete floor and build a new big shed. So to put all our extra shit here. So, and especially that there's like an exit from here and we can use it to move stuff in and out. So that'll be really helpful. Let's see how it will look. Okay, here's the same area. We removed the old storage here. We cleaned up everything and we made this fence higher so it covers the shed. Then we made this place now for concrete. We stabbed the floor and we added all of these poles, and we're just making it now to make it as firm as possible. So after that we will raise this grill that we made, so when we pour the concrete it will go under it, on top of it. Also, we're not going so high in concrete, so we will go to this line. So we made a line. I know it's not perfect, but this is just like we're trying to do it as easy as possible. And we made some holes here so it hold this wood for the fence. And we're almost there for the concrete slab. Okay, so we are lifting the whole grill up so the concrete goes under it, on top. Good job, dude. Thank you. So basically, instead of buying a concrete mix, which is gonna cost you a lot, we bought 6, or maybe we'll need more, maybe 8 Portland cement. Portland cement, it's raw cement. Then we got this, and we got some sand, and we mixed them all together. That will be way cheaper. And you can get this for free, like in some places. Like if you look on your Facebook market, so that's the cheapest way to do it.
Yeah, it would actually cost over $1,000 just to fill this up with a truck or something.
Yeah, if you order a truck to fill it for you, like a big mixer, that will cost you a lot. It's about like $6 to $12 in cubic feet. So this until now it's costing us about $70. So we will see how much it will cost at the end. Let's continue. Okay, so at the end we finished. It's kind of still soaking wet here because you saw how we did it. We'll leave it a little bit to dry a little bit and lose all of this water. Then we'll come back to it to see if it needs any like fixing, any smoothing. Then we will do the brush and we will do the sides. I did some of the sides here, but I needed to dry so I can finish it. Then it's not that perfect, but it doesn't matter because it will covered by the shed that we will build here. So it doesn't matter that much because we will cover all of that. It's just to keep the floors as solid as possible for the shed and the shop inside this place. So we will leave it for now and we'll come later.